Foldable 4K camera drones are essential for portable aerial photography, delivering high-quality videos, easy travel storage, and convenient shooting anywhere. Today's video is about top 5 best foldable drones with 4K camera that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Ruko drones with camera. The Ruko F11GIM2 drone is an impressive camera drone designed for creators who want stable aerial footage and long flight time. It features a 4K per 30 frames per second camera paired with a 2-axis gimbal and electronic image stabilization (EIS), producing smooth, cinematic shots with minimal shake. The 80 degrees adjustable lens and 5x digital zoom make it easy to switch between wide landscapes and detailed close-ups, making it perfect for travel videos, outdoor adventures, or action filming. One of the standout features is the extended flight time. With 2 intelligent batteries included, the drone offers up to 64 minutes of total flight time, giving you more opportunities to capture the perfect shot without constantly landing to recharge. The 5 km real-time video transmission provides a stable live view, especially with the USB-connected controller that avoids Wi-Fi interruptions. Level 6 wind resistance and brushless motors help maintain stable performance even in breezy conditions. Additionally, smart GPS features like auto return to home, follow me, waypoints, and point of interest make flying easier for beginners while still offering creative control for experienced pilots. Now our second product is Toladrone drone with camera. The Toladrone camera drone is a user-friendly drone designed for both beginners and hobbyists who want a smooth flying experience with reliable controls. One of its standout features is the digital image transmission remote control with a built-in LCD display. This allows real-time image transmission directly to the controller without needing a mobile app, making operations simpler and more stable while reducing signal interference. Powered by 4 brushless motors, the drone delivers strong and efficient flight performance. These motors not only provide better stability and power but also reduce maintenance and extend the drone's overall lifespan. For beginners, the drone includes helpful features like 1-key takeoff and landing, headless mode, and 3 adjustable speed modes. These functions make learning to fly much easier while still offering flexibility for more experienced users. The drone also supports a 32GB SD card, giving you plenty of storage for capturing high-definition photos and videos during flights. Additionally, Toladrone provides a responsive customer support team, ensuring users receive assistance whenever they need help or technical guidance. Our third product is DJI flagship drone camera. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is a powerful camera drone built for creators who demand professional-level aerial photography and video. It features a stunning 100MP Hasselblad main camera capable of recording breathtaking 6K per 60 frames per second HDR video, delivering incredible detail, color accuracy, and cinematic quality. Whether capturing landscapes or action scenes, the results are impressive. This drone also includes dual telephoto cameras, allowing users to capture crisp zoom shots without sacrificing image quality. The innovative 360 degrees infinity gimbal unlocks dynamic shooting angles, giving filmmakers the freedom to create unique cinematic movements that were previously difficult to achieve. Safety and performance are equally impressive. With 0.1 lux nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the drone can detect obstacles even in low-light environments, making night flights safer. The extended 51-minute flight time allows for longer shooting sessions, while the 30 km 04+ transmission system ensures smooth 10-bit HDR video feeds. Paired with the 7-inch rotatable RC Pro 2 controller and a 512GB storage option, this drone is an excellent choice for professional filmmakers, content creators, and aerial photography enthusiasts. Now number 4, Hiturbo Foldable Remote Control Drone Camera. The Hiturbo FPV 1080p camera drone is a great entry-level drone designed for beginners who want to explore aerial photography and fun flying. It comes with a 1080p adjustable camera that can be tilted to capture forward views while flying or downward shots for unique perspectives. This makes it useful not only for creative photos and videos but also for checking rooftops or other hard-to-reach areas. The drone includes 2 rechargeable batteries, offering up to 24 minutes of total flight time. Swapping batteries easily extends your flying sessions, though performing tricks or flying at higher speeds may reduce the time slightly. Users can control the drone with either the remote controller or a smartphone through the Wi-Fi connected Hiturbo FPV app, which unlocks features like voice control and trajectory flight. Beginner-friendly options such as altitude hold, headless mode, one-key takeoff/landing, speed adjustment, and 3D flips make flying simple and enjoyable. Overall, this drone is an excellent starter option, combining easy controls, decent camera quality, and fun features for new pilots learning to fly. And our last choice is Avialogic Mini Drone with camera for kids. The Mini 1080p HD FPV camera drone is a fun and beginner-friendly drone designed especially for kids and first-time flyers. It features a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera with a 90 degrees manually adjustable lens, allowing users to capture clear aerial photos and videos. With FPV transmission, you can watch live footage directly through the mobile app and easily share your adventures on social media. Flying this drone is simple thanks to the one-key start and landing function. The 3-speed modes allow beginners to learn at their own pace, while altitude hold keeps the drone stable in the air for smoother control and better footage. Safety is also well considered. The drone includes propeller guards, a low-power warning, and an emergency stop feature to help prevent accidents. It comes with two 550 mAh batteries, providing around 18 to 21 minutes of total flight time. For extra fun, the drone supports 3D flips, custom flight paths, and voice or gesture control. With remote, app, and voice control modes available, it's a versatile and entertaining drone for beginners and young pilots. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.